Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a voice reveal and I'll be showing you how to get green and purple broccolis in Animal Company VR. Okay, so first thing what we are going to want to do is we are going to want a large backpack, it doesn't matter, a hook shot, a glow stick or any type of light, and a golden pickaxe. I always have an extra one just in case. So now what we're gonna want to do. So we are going to want to go over to here. So this is where the spider is, but we will not be going towards the spider. We'll be going to the opposite direction. So once we're over here, you gotta turn on your light. And so we go over here, we go around these barricades. Right over there is the spider. We will just keep going straight, going around one, going around two barricades. And then we'll be jumping down this. Try to jump as straight as possible. If you didn't, then oh well. Then we go towards this way. So just keep going straight. Then take a first left. Then take a right that way. You can go up that way, but this is an easy way. Grapple right up here. Careful not to touch any of that red stuff. It will kill you. Alright, come this way. If you do have a grappler, you can go this way. You can also do the parkour right there, but we can go in those, but some of those fall and it's dangerous. And then we are at there. Take out your pickaxe, put that in there. Grab this and this. So right here is the green broccoli. It's become bigger. This one. This so you can go down this way. There is a wall. And there is a floor, so you will not die if you go down here. Open this up. Umbrella, which can fly, so I do not do that. You can go back the normal way. Body's right in there. Make sure not to let go of your hand. See, my grandpa is still in it, and see if I drop it, it will drop. And now look at, we are super big. You can go in there, like look at these little landmines. Boop, and they're gone. Right there. Boop, again. The way to become one big is going right by the computer and like trying to type something. So there will be a little countdown to you only get like a few, like 30 seconds already. See, there. It just, and then I just